In today's video, I will show you how to set the time on your Accu-Chek instant blood glucose meter. Keeping your meter's time accurate is super important for tracking your blood glucose reading correctly. Let's get started. So press the up button to turn your meter on, and now you need to press and hold the down button until the word setup appears on the display. You will notice the hour field start flashing. This means you can adjust it. Use the up or down button to set the correct hour. Once it's correct, press and hold the up button again to move to the minute field. The minutes field will start flashing again. Use the up or down buttons to adjust it. Repeat this same process to set the day, month, and year. After setting the year, press and hold the down button until you see the flashing test strip symbol. That confirms your new time and date settings have been saved, and that's it. Your Accu-Chek Instant meter now has the correct time and date. If you prefer, you can also set the time automatically by syncing your meter with the connected device. Just pair your instant meter with the app via Bluetooth, my sugar app, and or connect it to your computer using a USB cable with the Accu-Chek Connect online platform. The meter will automatically sync its time and date setting from the connected device, and that's how you can easily set or sync the time on your instant glucose meter. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.